Hello, everybody. We are going to learn how to answer questions with short answers. We use short answers in English because it is more polite than just saying yes or no. Short answers are formed by using the same auxiliary verb that is used in the question. Let's have a look at an example before we begin the video. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. We use the same verb to be that is in the question. Do we have time to finish our homework? Yes, we do. Does she live by the beach? Yes, she does. Can you run very fast? No, I can't. Is Valencia a small city? Yes, it is. Should I ask the teacher to help us? No, you shouldn't. Do you like my new jacket? Yes, I do. Will you call me later? Yes, I will. Are they tired? No, they aren't. Could we go to the cinema tonight? Yes, you could. Okay, everybody, we have finished the short answers video. Now, you should practice a lot with the exercises in this module and also the related grammar page. Good luck and happy studying.